Hey, it's Michael with Trail Icon. Today we're going to be installing our VERSATEK HD11 in our 26 Defender. So in the kit you're going to get the mounting plate itself. It does have a quarter 20 threaded insert, so if you wanted to mount an action camera or other gear that faces out the windshield, that's already installed for you. Then we also have our what we refer to as our LINQSTUD LITE, and this is how we're attaching this to the Defender. So you've got your upper spacer that just drops in here, and then you have the lower aluminum threaded insert here in the bottom. This is the lower base that just slips in on this lower portion. Just press that back. You'll grab the mounting plate, center that on the hole. You'll grab your screw and fender washer, drop that in. 4mm hex key. Tighten that down. You're ready to go.